Hey there guys, Enzo here, team driver for Kyosho America, and I want to go ahead and do an unboxing video on the new Ultima RB7 two-wheel drive buggy kit. I will be getting this kit ready, built up in the next couple days, do some running, and then I will be heading out to Arizona for the 10 scale nationals this year. So I was lucky enough to get the car in time. Everything's set to go, so let's get to it. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut the seals. This will be my first time seeing it, along with you guys, trying to do it one-handed. There we go. There's one. There's two. Alright guys, this will be the first time I see the inside of the new RB7. Let's take a look. Boom, there it is, the Ultima RB7. So right off the bat, just like your typical packaging with the old 6.6 buggy, got your manual, sticker, antenna tube, all that good stuff. Got the new wing. The new wing has a center fin mount on it. Well, not a mount, but has a center fin, sort of. Cut the air a little bit more aerodynamic. Another thing I noticed is you also have more options to cut the wicker bell on the back of the wing. You can see all those line cuts there. Give you a little bit more adjustability. That's pretty cool. Right next, you do get wheels. You get white wheels in the kit. Kyosho wheels. Bag 4, you get new arms. The new arms now have inserts in them. I don't know if you can see that right there. So you can adjust the track width from the hubs. That's a new feature to the wing. To the rear arm. Car only comes with 3-gear laydown this time. You got your battery mounts, side guards, drive shafts. The new drive shafts are different. They tweaked it a little bit on the snap ring that goes around it. The new bulkhead, they have a bulkhead that it looks like it's more specific to the RB7 this time. And then you have obviously your famous Kyosho shocks with the velvet coating. You got some grease for the diff. More plastics, rear tower. Here are the new rear drive shafts that I was telling you about. I don't know if you can see them. They changed up the design a little bit more efficient. And then you have your new body. The new body looks awesome. If you guys haven't seen it yet, maybe it's a little easier to see it once it's all painted and stuff and it's it's ready to go. I definitely suggest you guys go to Kyosho's YouTube page and you guys look up the promotional video for the RB7 and you can see the body painted up so you can get a better image of it. It looks really good. The cab is a lot more narrower. It's a cab forward design and it has a center fin straight down the back. More straight line stability at higher speeds, but it's pretty good. I like it. I really like the new body. And then last but not least, you have your new chassis. See if I can get this off. There we go. Trying to do it one-handed, so cut me a little slack. There we go. So the new chassis is the same width as the 6.6. They went deeper with the milling, so you can see the milling for a little bit more improved flex. And the chassis is now 4 millimeters shorter than the 6.6 chassis. So overall, the car is going to have a little bit more traction. Going to be a little bit easier to drive. It's not going to be as aggressive. It'll square up harder coming out of corners. It is a little bit shorter. So they improved the chassis geometry a little bit on the car, along with a few other things. But that's pretty much it. That is your brand new Kyosho Ultima RB7. I wanted to go ahead and do this little unboxing video so everyone could see what you get in your new kit. Pretty excited to get this thing built up and running. I've been a diehard Kyosho guy for many seasons, so I will definitely let you guys know how this car does versus my old 6.6. So I will definitely keep you guys in the loop, and I will keep you guys updated with how everything goes. I'll definitely do another video once the car's built with all the electronics. So yeah guys, I just wanted to go ahead and do this little video and show you guys what you get with your new Ultima RB7. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, and we will Catch ya in the next one. Peace.